Extreme blackhead extraction before and after transformations are one of the best ways to see real skincare results. In today's video, we are performing an extreme blackhead extraction treatment. This process focuses on removing deeply clogged pores and improving the overall appearance of the skin. Stay until the end to see the full transformation. What is extreme extraction? Extreme blackhead extraction is a professional skincare procedure used to remove deep and stubborn blackheads. These blackheads are often difficult to remove with regular skincare routines. This treatment focuses on deep cleaning the pores. Skin preparation. The skin is first cleansed to remove surface impurities. Steam is applied to open the pores and soften the buildup inside. This step is essential for safe extraction. Extraction process. Using professional tools, blackheads are removed carefully. Some extractions may be more intense due to deep clogs. However, when done properly, the process is safe and effective. Skin recovery. After extraction, soothing and hydrating products are applied. These help calm the skin and restore balance. Final results. The final results show cleaner pores and smoother skin. The before and after difference highlights the effectiveness of the treatment.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe now.